Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about the plant transport system. So for day 1, introduction to the plant transport system. For lesson objectives, identify the parts of the plant transport system and describe their functions. Discuss the parts and functions of the plant's transport system and compare plant transport system to human's digestive system. Have you ever wondered how a plant drinks water or gets food if it doesn't have a mouth or stomach like you? Or how it breathes without lungs? That's where the plant transport system comes in. So let us compare. Just like our circulatory and digestive systems transport oxygen and nutrients to different parts of our body, plants also have an internal system that helps them move water, minerals, and food around. So what is transport system? A transport system is like a delivery network. For humans, the blood vessels carry oxygen and nutrients. For plants, they use special tissues that work like tiny pipelines inside them. So, major parts of the plant transport system, let us explore the 4 main components. So, number 1, the xylem. Okay, transports water and dissolved minerals from the roots upward to the rest of the plant. So, ang direction po ng movement nitong xylem, ang function ng xylem is upward. So, from roots going to the rest of the plants, to the different parts of the plants. So, imagine po natin na ito ay parang water pipe na ang direction lang ng pag-agos niya is pataas or upward. So, made of dead cells that form long tubes. Yun po ang xylem. At ito namang pangalawa, phloem. It carries food, mainly the sugar from photosynthesis, yung product na ng food making process, from the leaves downward or throughout the plant. So, yun naman ang function ni phloem. Ang i-distribute yung nabuong sugar, which is one of the product of the photosynthesis process, going to the different parts of the plant. Imagine po natin ang phloem ay a food delivery tract. Made of living cells including sieve tubes. Phloem is beside xylem, so magkatabi lang po sila. Okay, number 3, stomata or diastoma. So, okay, these are the tiny pores usually found on the underside of leaves. They allow carbon dioxide in and oxygen and water vapor out. So ito pala yung daanan ng carbon dioxide papasok. Yung carbon dioxide po, ito po yung in-exhale ng human and animals na ina-absorb naman ng plants. So dumadaan po yan sa stomata. At daanan din ng stomata papalabas ng para makalabas ang oxygen, which is also one of the product of photosynthesis, and water vapor out papalabas. So important for photosynthesis and transpiration. So next, number 4, the guard cells. Okay, these are the gatekeepers that surround the stomata. Nakapalibot pala ito sa stomata. Ito yung nagko-control ng pagbukas. So, they open and close the stomata depending on water pressure, light, and other factors. So, depende din niya sa temperature. So, kapansin natin kapag mainit, medyo parang bumabagsak ng kunti ang dahon. So, ang nagko-control pala ng pagsara ng stomata is the guard cells. When they swell with water, the stomata open. So, para maka-out yung water. When they shrink, they close. So, let's check your prior knowledge. We use the digestive system to break down and absorb nutrients. In what way do plants process their food and nutrients? Which plant part is responsible for transporting water? What part regulates the opening of the stomata? And which plant structure carries sugar? So, yan ang mga masasagot pa natin. So, did you know, without plant transport system, plants will starve or die. So, kung wala yung transport system na binanggit natin, yung 4 na basic parts of the transport system for plants, mamamatay ang halaman. This system help keep plants alive, which in turn provide us with oxygen, food, and even medicine. So, napakahalaga pala po nun, even in human and animals. Kasi kung wala yung transport system, walang food making process, wala tayong makakain, and wala tayong oxygen. So, by understanding how plants work internally, you will appreciate their role in our ecosystems and hopefully be more curious and caring toward nature. So, these are the parts. So, i-review natin yung kanina. So, the xylem, ang function ng Xylem is transport water and minerals. The direction is from roots to leaves. So, phloem transport food and sugar, leaves to all parts, mula sa dahon papunta sa iba't ibang parts ng plants. Stomata, pores for gas exchange and transpiration, in and out. So, guard cells control stomatal opening and closing. So, this is responsive cells. So, for your reflection, write in your science journal, what part of the plant transport system amazes you the most and why? Do sa apat na yon, saan ka doon mas na-amaze, pinaka na-amaze, and bakit? Oh, how is it similar or different from your own body systems? So, how are you going to compare the plant transport system to human body systems?